morning YouTube, and welcome to my channel, Jules Craft Room. And I think it's episode 6 of the sewing vlog, and it's Tuesday today. I didn't get a chance to film anything yesterday because I was looking after grandkids, and it's Tuesday the what is it, 20th of July. It is so hot. I am absolutely cooking in here, and it doesn't matter where you go in the house, it is hot. But I thought I'd come on and show you what's just come in the post. And it looks like it's from the Secret Society. So I presume, as I'm not expecting anything else from them, I presume it's block C and D. So this is exciting, isn't it? So here we are. We've got the packaging here of what we need. There's something else in here. Oh, some candy sticks. Oh my God, this takes me back. This takes me back. Of course, they're, when I was a kid, these candy sticks would be in the shape of a cigarette, but the kids used to walk around smoking them. But wow, they're a blast from the past. What else is in here? Oh, and a drumstick. Ooh, not going to be doing my teeth much good, is it? All this candy. So we have got 2 packages. So I wonder, and look at those lovely little things. Is it to make something as well? Let's have a look. Well, it says welcome to July. And yes, there's C and D. So that's C. That's D. And a mini kit to make the cotton sewing reel. Right, so there's this mini kit to make this little thing. I don't know if you can see. There. So it must be very small. It's perfect for keeping your threads in, clean and safe. So yes, I presume threads like this you can keep in this. I'm not sure how long it is. I think you have to download the instructions off the website. To make that, but I might do that first and then go on to the blocks. So this is exciting, isn't it? Okay, well, hopefully next time I come on, I'll have one of those done. You can hear the puppy. Yes, I'll just get her. Here we are. Yes, here's Trouble. And I think she's grown a little bit. But yeah, there she is. She's still very cute at the moment, even though she has the odd accidents. She keeps me on my toes. I have to keep running out the house with her so she can do a wee. Yeah, I know. So I'll see you in the next bit. Right, hello again. It's Wednesday now, the 21st, and I thought I'd come on and show you how I got on with the sewing cotton reel holder from the Mandy Dandelion Designs Secret Society Club, and that's what they showed you to make, and it came in the with the subscription. All the bits and pieces came. The only thing you needed to do was use your own red thread. So this is how it came. I don't know if you can see. So it had you doing putting the fabric, sandwiching it either side of the wadding, and then it didn't really tell you that clear, but I did it. I think what it wanted you to do was go back and forwards 1/4 of an inch doing these lines, and this is what I did, and I'm really pleased with it. And it's holding the expensive thread that you use to do all your embroidery with. And that's a little case. Also, it said about when it came, I struggled with the corner on this edge. It did the pleated one here, but I couldn't do it that side. I didn't, and they didn't explain, so I just did it as best as I could. The other thing that was, it talked about a bar tack, and that was to do this and this, and I looked on the internet and I couldn't find bar tack. It was actually something you put on your jean, on the jean, to hold something together if it's ripped. So in the found, I looked under button loop, and it had the full instructions there. So if anyone's having the same problem, look under button loop and it tells you how to do it. But yes, it's lovely, isn't it? It's quite cute. I mean, it's only small. It's only to hold that one thread. But yeah, I definitely considered buying one of the bigger bags. You know, they do the bigger bags that have got bigger wooden things at the end. But yeah, come together lovely. So I was really pleased with that. So now I've got to start on C and D. So that's C and that's D. So I've got the transfers in here, and I'm going to start on that maybe this afternoon, and then I'll show you how I get on. Okay, well, I'll see you in a bit then. I'm sitting in my garden in the shade doing the Redwork. Some orange juice. And who's under my chair? Yeah. And she's been there all day, just sleeping. Back to the Redwork. Morning. So it's Friday now, and I just thought I'd show you how far I got on the Secret Society C and D. So that's the C. I finished doing all the embroidery there. Really enjoyed it. I'm loving this. I'm going to look for something else to do in the meantime because I'm getting it done so quick. Obviously I got to do the backing and stitch it round, and I will probably do that later today, but the video will go up. I'm going to do the video in a few minutes, edit it and put it up. And this is D. D was really quick because it's really simple. There's not a lot in it. I haven't decided whether I'm going to add some detail or not, because it's quite simple, but I might leave it. So yeah, so that's C and D done. I haven't done any sewing. I have been working on something for my daughter. I'm trying to make a bralette for, she's going to a music festival because they're all opening up now. Now that we've had Freedom Day, though how long that'll last I don't know. So yeah, so this is what I've done so far. Once I've sorted it out, I'm probably going to do a tutorial. I know it's not sewing, but I do love a bit of crocheting. So yeah, I've got to do some sort of lace up bit on the straps, tidy up the ends, and I'm going to do a cord that goes around the neck. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing that, so I might design some others, different styles. But yes, I'll probably do a tutorial on that, and then it'll be like a free pattern then. If anyone's interested, let me know and I'll get on that. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye for now.